If exam pressure is making you forget everything you studied, and if your heart is racing just by thinking about the exam hall, then the video is for you. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are well. I am Saman Rauf, allocated to Foreign Service of Pakistan, and today I want to talk about how you can deal with exam pressure. For example, 2026 CSS is coming up in the month of February, and you will be thinking what is going to happen in the exam hall. So first, let me say this clearly. Feeling pressure does not mean you are weak. It means that you are well prepared. The problem is not the pressure itself. The problem is not knowing how to handle it. So, how can we deal with exam pressure? Why exam pressure happens? Let's understand where exam pressure actually comes from. Number one. Number one is fear of failure. Not failing the exam, but also expectations of your family, of your friends. And number two is comparison. We compare our journeys with toppers, friends, social media posts, and forget that everyone's struggle is different. And number three is unrealistic targets. We plan like machines and then feel guilty for being humans. So, if you are facing this situation right now, remember this, that pressure is not from books, pressure is from expectations. So, how can we deal with this exam pressure? The biggest mistake aspirants make is focusing on the result. You keep asking yourself, will I clear the exam? What if I fail? What will people say? Let me be very honest. You cannot control the results, but you can control the progress. Instead of thinking, I have to clear this exam, tell yourself that today I will revise only this specific topic. Small controllable tasks reduce pressure, and big uncontrollable outcomes increase the pressure. So, I'll talk about some techniques that can release pressure on the daily basis, because an anxious mind cannot retain knowledge. And if you don't release pressure daily, it will explode in the exam hall and you will become very anxious at the end. You don't need anything fancy, just one daily habit. It can be a 10 minutes walk, any silent prayer, also writing your worries on paper before sleeping. This is not wasting time. This is protecting your performance. I call this as exam hall mindset. Now let's talk about the exam hall, the most dangerous place for pressure. Before the paper starts, repeat it in your mind. I am here to attempt, not to be perfect. I have given my best, and if you see a tough question, don't panic. Just skip it for a moment. Your brain works better when it feels safe. And please remember, the first answer that comes to your mind is often the correct one. Panic creates confusion, not intelligence. Now, let me give you a reality check. That is, one exam does not decide your worth, but panic can decide your performance. You are more than a roll number, and your effort is never wasted, even if the result is delayed. And we must have faith in Allah Ta'ala that He will not waste our efforts. Now, lastly, I'll just say that courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is showing up despite fear. Pressure means you are on a meaningful path. Just don't let it paralyze you. And what is that one thing that makes you feel pressurized? Comment down in the comment box.